Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look. Oh, you've been warned. So look, here come 3. Look, 2. Look. Last chance. 1. Bang! Welcome, Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! We have a great show for you today. All right. I'm a little fueled. We just got rid of that. Just got finished that baseball game. Bang. What? The Tampa Bay Rays took that shit back in the 9th? Look. All right. This guy, I know you guys aren't into sports, a lot of you. All right, but we have a great show for you today. Boom! And I hope you're having a great weekend. So, let's get prepared. All right, it's the first story. Chainlink to the rescue. I know you love it when I sing it. Probably not, because I can't sing for shit. Chainlink to the rescue. No pain, no gain, brothers. You got to hear me sing. You got to hear me sing to hear about this loot. Oh, yeah. Chainlink onboards PoolTogether gambling on Ethereum. So, all right, we'll talk about it when we get there. That's the randomness thing. All right, and then CME Bitcoin futures rise as institutional investment is up. What are we waiting for? Smart money. It's called institutional money. Call it either one. All right, and then, okay, and so, Saturday's show we do, it's a little loose, it's a little loose. We don't, it's not just all straight mega money and just all that. So we're going to talk about Akoin is going to be traded on a major crypto exchange. So, Akoin is part of Akon's whole crypto city thing that he's building. Well, not a crypto city, it's a whole futuristic city that he's building, right? So we're going to talk about that. And then Canada's first Bitcoin fund hits $100 million mark, and we're going to talk about that. So let's begin how we begin with a bang. Look. That's how we do. Let's get her done. See what we got going down around these parts. Look. All right. Let's proceed in an orderly fashion. All right, we got Bitcoin at 2,000. Sorry. 2,000. Are you fucking stupid? $13,299. And when I left you yesterday, we were at 13,299. Wait. Sorry. No, we're at, holy fucking stupid. We're at $12,912. So look, let me just tell you right now, there probably might be some mistakes in this show. I've been watching the baseball game, so I've had a little bit of fueling. Yes, a little bit of smoke. So look, don't expect it to be perfect. Like. So we've gone up, motherfucking up. $387. All right. Yeah, we're gonna have to get through this thing without embarrassing ourselves too much. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Look. Usual suspects. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, Binance Coin, Litecoin, Polkadot, and Cardano. Let's look at market moves of the day. So we're looking at the second line right here. Market moves of the day. Looks like pretty much single digits up. Everybody's up. There's a down. All right. Single is up, single is down. Single is up, single is down. Oh, yeah, and did you see that UFC fight earlier? Yes. And today was a day of sports and drink. Drinking sports. So let's hope we make it through this thing in one piece. There you go, Theta. 13% up, as you should be. And Filecoin, 46% up, as you should be with the onboardings I just read this week. There's some smart money bailed you guys out this weekend. Fuck. All right, single is up, single is down. Single is up, single is down. 2. Single is up, single is down. All right, let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it's on sale. Hook. Bye. These sales are skimpy. Skimpy indeed. All right, brothers. Whoops. Where we going? Where we going? All right. Top 10 losers of the day. Energy Web Token, Ren, the Midas Touch Gold, Aave, Uniswap, Blockstack, Digibyte, Basic Attention Token, NEM, and Bitcoin Diamond. Let's see who actually made money today. Wow, there's some serious gains, and that's proper. There you go, Filecoin. You came out, you got your first fucking onboarding. You should be up like that. Bye. All right. And you too, Theta. Right? We read the Theta thing yesterday. Right? The Shout Factory thing. Right? Come on. I mean, I know this market's filled with dumb money, but fuck, retarded money? Come on. All right, guys. Look, top 10 of the day. Filecoin, Cybervein, Ampleforth, Ocean Protocol, Theta Quant, Reserve Rights, Litecoin, Monocoin, and Near Protocol. Let's see what the total market moves. Total market cap is. Oh shit! Hold on. Total market cap is $402.3 billion. Moving up nicely. When I left you yesterday, we were at $392 billion, so we've gone up exactly $10 billion. Look, 24-hour volume is $78.3 billion. And when I left you yesterday, we were at $92.3 billion, so we've gone down. What's that? $14 billion exactly. All right, so look. All right, great. Let's get to the stories. All right, let's get to the stories. So first of all, bang, PoolTogether. Oh, this thing. Okay, so PoolTogether, no loss gambling platform utilizes Chainlink's VRF on Ethereum to select winners. So remember we were talking about the VRF, the Chainlink VRF. That's randomness, right? The randomness function that they have. I told you guys, randomness is a computer I told you I used to program computers when I was a kid. Well, we all had to almost pretty much. I mean, computers weren't like they are today with just point and click. But anyway, the point being is, and I remember when I wanted to put randomness in my software that I was building, I used to program in C# and C++. And you had to, there were randomness functions you had to call. Right? Computers don't do random. You can't tell a computer just roll the dice. You can't. You have to program it to roll those dice randomly. And which is a big deal, which is like, especially with shit like this, with gambling, well, you want to make sure that those dice are rolled randomly, motherfucker, right? Just like as if you're at a casino. And so I know it seems like such a small thing, but it's more than just that. Like, randomness also does things for like security, you know. All right, let's get away from the video game bullshit, gambling shit, and let's look at randomness in a bigger, better. I'm going to give you an example. So, you know, randomness, you know, for instance, shit, I'm so fucking stupid. I made a big deal about giving you an example, and now I don't know one. But just, for instance, like, fuck. All right, guys. All right. I fucked up. I can't think of something. I can't think of anything except now because the gambling thing is too big in my brain right now, and I can't think of something else. But well, look at artificial intelligence, right? Artificial intelligence is completely randomness. It's human-like, right? We are random. And so artificial intelligence makes choices. Choices are random. The artificial intelligence could be like Terminator and decide to kill you, or be like Terminator and decide to save you, right? The movie Terminator, right? I know this is such a stupid example, but right? He comes in the future, bang, bang, and he wants to kill the little kid, right? But then he comes back and he's like, yeah, I want to save the little kid. Yeah, it's randomness. That's so stupid. But anyways, randomness is a big deal. Just for generating stuff, even, generating a QR code. Wow, it's got to be random. Just stuff like that, guys. Fuck. I fucked up. I can't think of something. I told you. Already been fueling. But anyways, it's a big fucking deal. All right, and so let's check it out. Well, randomness in general is a big deal. This is just one gambling game, so that isn't a big deal. But it's something. I mean, it's an onboarding for Chainlink, so yes. Oh, and thank you, buddy, whoever you were, showing me that I used the wrong words in the title yesterday. I said, what did I say? I said, the one company onboarded Chainlink, and you told me, no, it was banned. Yeah, sorry. All right. So I cleaned it up on YouTube. On Twitter, it still says Chainlink. All right. Look, so I don't mean to be lying to anyone. I made a mistake. All right. So Chainlink announces its verifiable random function on the Ethereum mainnet, bringing a host of benefits to the decentralized platform. PoolTogether, a gamified savings platform that allows users to gamble without losing. Well, if you can't lose, it's not really gambling, is it? That's like saying, yeah, you're a speculator, me like a trader, but you never lose. Well, you can never lose. Well, I'm not really a speculator then, am I? I'm just a guy throwing money at stuff that I can't lose at. All right, so so let me also say this. Well, if this is true, hey guys, you might want to go check out this fucking thing. If you can never lose, bang. I'm just saying. All right, where is it? Became the first platform to launch on Chainlink's verifiable randomness function. So there it is. So the Ethereum onboarded Chainlink the other day for the blah, blah, randomness function, and this company PoolTogether is the first one to use it. That was quick. They just onboarded. They just put the Chainlink randomness thing on there the other day. Fuck, I think like Thursday, isn't it? It's Saturday, right? Well, it's Sunday technically, but you know what I mean. All right. So after 2 successful versions, PoolTogether launched version 3 update on Thursday, allowing users to create their own new games implementing their own rules. Chainlink plans to expand VRF to multiple blockchains. Of course you do. I mean, of course. Chainlink VRF is a decentralized randomness generator useful in improving lotteries, gambling, and gaming systems, both traditional and decentralized. But randomness is, forget the gaming crap, man. That's a bunch of bullshit. It's also good for security. Like if I generate a number, like you guys, I'm sure you've been to those websites where they ask you, like, are you a robot? Right? And then you got to type in those letters. Or are you a robot? And they make you click, click the pictures with, I don't know, boats in it, right? And you got to click the picture with the boats, and then it verifies you. That's randomness. That's what I care about. That's randomness. That's randomness, okay? Well, let's put it this way. They're both random. They're all randomness, but just that's how I would like to see Chainlink's randomness function be utilized in security matters. Security. That's how I know it from when I was a programmer back in the days. We used it for, the program would, put something up and then like the thing I just said, like the, it's called CAPTCHA, right? And, you got to put the letters in. Yeah, they're just random letters and numbers and whatever, right? All right, so look. Despite currently having full focus on implementing VRF on Ethereum mainnet-based platforms, the developers are looking forward to implementations to other blockchains. But Chainlink is looking to expand, obviously. Chainlink co-founder, Sergey Nazarov, confirmed with Cointelegraph that several projects have inquired about the randomness function, gaming-focused Matic Network being one of them. Over 10 projects have worked on the testnet versions, while others, such as PoolTogether, used it on the main net. So they've got people in the pipeline already testing it out for themselves. And if they like it, well, they'll onboard. And if they onboard, well, I'll tell you all about it. So look. And I also know that a number of the chains that we're integrating into, interestingly enough, whether they're gaming focused or not, already have people lined up to use it when we've finalized our integration to that chain. Bang! So, you understand? These guys who own blockchains, they're testing this randomness function, and they've already got people lined up to use it when that integration comes. So, well, there it is. There's nothing else to say. They've already got it lined up. So if I'm Shomari chain, and I'm gonna be like, yo guys, and I've got customers, and my customers are like, Shomari man, we want some randomness. I'll be like, look. I'm gonna call Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. And I'll say, all right, I'm gonna bring Chainlink. How many of you guys want to use the randomness? We do. I do. Bang, right? So there's already people lined up to use it. But so according to Sergey, Chainlink VRF is switching its focus to gaming and gambling-specific blockchain as rising Ethereum fees scare away gaming D-apps from the platform. He said, and many users for gaming have now started to move to other more gaming-specific, which is then also where we'll have Chainlink VRF soon as well. So they're going to target the gaming-specific type. So PoolTogether uses Chainlink VRF on the Ethereum network. So let's hear about this lossless thing. As mentioned before, PoolTogether is the first use case of Chainlink VRF on Ethereum mainnet. So we read about them launching it on Thursday. Bang! They've already got a user. The decentralized, which tells you, yes, motherfuckers are hungry for this VMF.
Yes, hungry. I need randomness. I need randomness.
So look, the decentralized gambling platform, aims to give users a lossless random game. The platform uses Chainlink VRF to randomly select and reward one winner with crypto each week for a pool of savers. Oh, from a pool of savers. Well, you may wonder, how does no one lose on this gambling platform? Exactly. How do you not lose? I mean, gambling implies the ability to lose, right? That's like saying I'm a speculator, but I never lose. Well, that's not true. Anyways, look. On the surface, PoolTogether collects DAI stablecoins in exchange from gamblers for raffle tickets and pools the tokens together. The pool then earns interest on compound finance, and a random raffle ticket is selected, to which the full interest from the pool is given. Everyone then gets their DAI stablecoins back. Oh, fuck off. So you buy tickets, you put your money in. So you buy a ticket, that's putting your money in. And if you don't win, well, they just give you your money back. That's a little strange. Okay. Anyway, so far, PoolTogether has distributed over 34,000. All right. Let's get moving on. It's Saturday, so we don't have to read every word of everything. So, according to Sergey, PoolTogether sets the pace for gaming and gambling platforms to decentralize randomness systems. While there's still some room to fill before corporate gaming firms switch from their centralized randomness systems to decentralized systems, Sergey predicts a massive scandal could change all of this. Yeah, well, it could, and it might not, and it won't. But look, Chainlink. So here it is. We read about the VRF being launched on Ethereum, and there it is. Fuck, they got gobbled up. What? We read about it. Fuck, when did we read about that shit? Hold on, when did we read about that? Yeah, Thursday, right? Obviously, when it got launched, right? Yeah, exactly. Chainlink verifiable randomness. We read that on the 22nd of October. Yeah, well, today's the 20th. It's technically the 25th because it's 1 in the morning right now. I've been watching sports all day, so I had to do this a little bit late because, well, look, I was in no condition to do this before. So, but bang, Chainlink hodlers, Yeah. Welcome to the goodie room. Oh, yeah. Chainlink is romping and stomping all around the goodie room. Romping and stomping. Yes, they're romping and stomping. All right, guys. Chainlink alerts. Bye. All right, let's move on. Bye. Yes. Oh, yeah, romping and stomping around these parts. So it goes sometimes. Some boys romp, some boys stomp. Some boys romp and stomp.
Oh, yeah.
And that's what Chainlink's doing. Romping and stomping. All right, brothers and sisters. Yes, ladies. Look, sweeties. Yes, ladies. Look at my little bees. Yes, my little worker bees. Look at you all. Bang, bang, bang. Yes. Flying over to get your piece of the CME. Bang! Bitcoin futures. I know you guys aren't invested in Bitcoin futures, but don't worry about it. That's not for you. That's not worker bee stuff. So look, CME's Bitcoin futures rise suggest institutional investors are starting to swarm toward crypto.
Oh, yeah.
The swarm has begun. Look, the tsunami, the flood has come. Well, it's coming, and the swarm has arrived.
Oh, yeah.
That's it now. And what have I been telling you from the beginning of this channel? I know. There's these crypto lovers. You know, they believe in this libertarian, be your own bank, and help the unbanked, and crypto's going to save the world, and save the polar bears, and all this, and the trees, and everything. It's going to bring global peace. Oh, yeah, it's going to cure racism and sexism and homophobia, all of it. Well, let's get to the reality of the situation. But what I told you is, what I've always been telling you is, buy. Yeah, the institutional investors are coming. We're going to professionalize this space. We're going to turn this place into a proper market. It's a crack house right now. It's fucking ghetto.
Oh, yeah.
It's all manner of ghetto. Guys getting hacked here. CEOs getting indicted over here.
Oh, yeah.
That's all manner of miscreant behavior. All manner. Here it comes. Like I told you from the very beginning of this channel, you can fuck all that philosophy shit you have about crypto. Your mass adoption, soccer mom and dad buying crypto with coffee with crypto, isn't going to happen. Fucking going to save people of the unbanked and all about that. They're going to be our own banks and all that. Never going to happen. I tell you what will happen.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to tell you what is going to happen. Look, it's going to be Bitcoin 401ks. Bang! Bitcoin child's college savings funds. Bang! Bitcoin IRAs. Bang! And all your cryptos, your VeChains, your Stellars, your IOTAs, all that shit. Your Trons, your daggone, what else we got? Cardano daggone. We got daggone. What else we got? We got all of them. Oh, yeah. Just like stock market. Securities, baby. Securities. That's how this place is really going to be once the big dogs come. I told you this from the beginning of this channel. You think these fucksticks are going to let a bunch of little tech nerds with their little philosophy, but a good product just get away from them? No way. No way. No way. I've told you from day one of this channel how this place is going to be, and we're slowly getting there. One guy, you said to me yesterday, Shomari, how does it feel? How does it feel being right all the time? Well, it feels good because I've invested in the way that I'm thinking, and the way that I'm thinking is making my investments look.
Oh, yeah.
My Bitcoins have look. My Ethereums have look. My VeChains have look. All of them have look. That's what this channel's about. Getting you to build a cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! Building a cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang! And filling it with revenue-generating product. Oh, because this shit's going to generate some revenue like a motherfucker. It's the future. This is the future. Blockchain is the future. Internet 3.0, baby.
Oh, yeah. Shomari, Internet 3.0.
You fucking right it is, fuckstick. Fuck you think I'm doing here? It's Internet 3.0. Let me tell you. Wow. I'm no spring chicken.
Oh, yeah.
I'm middle-aged. I know I look young and sexy. But look, I was here for the dot-com bubble. I was a university student then. Let me tell you. I was a frenzy. was a fucking frenzy.
Oh, yeah.
Dot-com bubble lasted from 1992 to the year 2000. It was just day after day after day of just people making money hand over fist. You couldn't fill your. You were making so much money, you didn't even have a place to put it. Have you ever seen? Look. Okay. Let me give you an example. Have you ever seen the movie? What's it called? With Leonardo DiCaprio, right? And he starts selling the weed, and then he goes to the coke. What's that called? Not powder. What is it called? You know the movie, right? And yeah, they have so much money. Yeah, they're just weighing it now. They're not even counting the actual bills. It's just like, look, $1 million weighs, 20.3 pounds. All right. Yeah, that's how it's going to be. Oh, yeah.
Shomari, we're going to make money.
Look, fuckstick, you're going to be rich. Yeah. That's how it's going to go down around these parts. The fuck you think I'm doing here? Just for the fucking fun of it? I don't give a shit about centralization. Or decentralization, I guess is what it's called. I don't give a fuck about all that. Helping the unbanked and all this nonsense. Nah, dog. It's a straight cash, homie. So look, and the institutional investors, buy. Well, they know there's some straight cash around these parts as well. So it's going down. So accumulate, little worker bees. Look at those little bees right there. Yes, accumulating. Yes. It's good work. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Every paycheck, worker bee, you only get 26 a year.
Oh, yeah.
I know all about you, worker bees. You only get 26 paychecks a year. You got to put a little bit into crypto every once in a while. Every paycheck. Just a little bit more. Bang. Just a little bit more.
Oh, yeah.
That's how you got to do it. When this thing finally hits, well, you're going to be rewarded. Your fucking brains are going to explode when they see all the money you're going to make. Really. Let's get real. All right, guys, so let's get real and let's get to our stories. I almost broke out some Noah right there. You guys got lucky. Save that for later. So look, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the CME, has become the second largest derivatives market for Bitcoin futures in terms of open interest. So, the second largest in terms of open interest. But remember this, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange is a licensed, regulated exchange here in America. They are the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange of our commodities. So these are real derivatives, right? I know. OKX owns, most people go to OKX for their derivatives. Yeah, but those are little worker bees and little, cowboys. This is the real deal. This is the kind of, CME is where, if let's not go there. If Ford wants to play in the derivatives market, they go to the CME. You know what I mean? All right. So, regulated and licensed. All right. You all know who the CME is. All right. So, data shows that Bitcoin Mercantile Exchange, BitMEX, open interest for Bitcoin futures has taken a dive since it was charged with illegal operating in the United States, as it should be. CME's group rise in open interest began on October 10th, as Skew.com reported that the exchange added nearly 1,500 contracts in the October expiry. All right. So since launching in 2017, it's taken 3 years for CME Group to catch up with other Bitcoin derivatives markets. Well, remember this. And I want y'all to remember this. CME is regulated here in America. Yeah, they're regulated by the SEC, by the CFTC. Like, that's the real shit. So these crypto nerds are talking about, well, here it is. All right, let me read and then I'll say something. So since launching in 2017, it's taken 3 years for CME Group to catch up with other Bitcoin derivatives markets. CME is now the second largest futures market, leading behind OKX in terms of open interest. So now here's the difference, though. The CME Group is like a NASDAQ. OKX is like a BitMEX. Yeah, it's not regulated, right? It's just a funky little crypto exchange out there. And so I expect to see, and I will show you over time, that the CME futures will obviously make way more money because it's regulated by the SEC, right? What? Hold on, let me look at something. 1 second, guys. Wait. 1 second. Oh, okay. Oh, my bad. Sorry. I saw, so the reason, sorry, guys. The reason I saw over here, where what was I reading to you? Oh, yeah, I saw right up here. It said Bitcoin at 13,200, and I forgot that we were at 13,200. So, my bad. All right, let's move on. I thought we were still in the 12s, and I was about to say, like, guys, oh my gosh, it went up $1,000 just since I've been talking to you. Anyway, all right, whatever. Oh, it's one of these whole bullet point. I didn't read this article, so, well, it's not even an article. It's just a bunch of bullshit right here. All right, anyways, man. Fuck off. Anyways, all right, so I'm just going to yap to you. Fuck this. I'm not going to read all that kind of nonsense. All right, so CME's at the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So real banks, real hedge funds and all that. Not real. Let me say it properly. Like, just fucking talking like a child. Licensed and regulated hedge funds and institutions need to deploy their money with licensed and regulated investment vehicles and fucking hell, what's this called? Exchanges, right? And so that's what this story is good about. All right, that's what the story. Let me just tell you. I'm just going to tell you the story. I'm not going to read all that bullshit right there that we looked at. It's Saturday, so things are a little different. So yeah, it's great, man. We're seeing institutional demand coming. Remember what I've been reading to you the past couple of days. But regular companies are just starting to hodl Bitcoin as a reserve. Yeah. As a reserve currency, right? Well, not currency. Let me not look at the word currency. Or not say the word currency, but what it is another asset. Like a brick of gold. SOV, store of value, right? And that's what is driving this market up, the Bitcoin at least. And yeah, hodling it. Like these people intend to hodl it. It's not like they're, coming in and out of the market trading it. Nah, it's not trading, it's hodling. And so that's what's going to keep everything going up for a long while, for a long while. And that's great. And so, bang, all right. All right, let's move on. Bang, Akon social ecosystem. Akoin will begin trading on Bittrex. So, Akon, he's a rapper. He's like a singer here in America. Some sort of rapper, R&B kind of guy or something like this. But anyways, he's got this thing called Akoin, and he's building a whole city around it in Senegal. They the Senegalese president, prime minister or whatever, gave him 2,000 acres to build a whole city on. And so, and then Stellar hodlers, but remember the Akoin is actually released on Stellar. So that's an interesting thing as well. But so anyways, so it's a whole futuristic city that Akon's building. It's futuristic. It's futuristic. It's going to be smart city. It's going to be artificial intelligence. What do you call that? The energy is going to be, good for the world. In renewable energy. Charging stations for your cars. The cars are going to be electric and shit like that. And, a whole city. He's building a whole city. Yeah, from the ground up. Yeah, every tech nerd in the world, this is your dream. what this guy Akon, this rapper guy, is building. Okay, but anyway, so that's the background of the Akon city. But now let's just talk about the Akoin. Is an actual coin, and it'll start trading on Bittrex on November 11th. So bang, I mean, Akon, the Akon city thing, this is their official currency of the thing. And so you can kind of look at it from a Forex perspective. So you guys know, if you're new here, I'm a Forex trader. I live in South Beach. Bang, bang. I murder these guys. But that's not the point. The point is that from just a Forex perspective, if this is the official coin of your sovereign state, in other words, a city, well, the value, you never know. And so I guess what I want to say is that I might buy a few of these Akoins. I'm not saying you to do it. I'm not, I don't tell people what to do with their money, but I might throw in a couple G's on it just to see what happens, right? It's a whole city, all right? And it's going to be super futuristic and super amazing. So, all right, let's move on and read. So, Akoin, the cryptocurrency developed by renowned pop star. Oh, he's a pop star. Okay. Akon to start improve social media opportunities and access for African entrepreneurs, has announced its premier listing on crypto exchange Bittrex, as per a release shared with CoinSlate. So, Bittrex is one of the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, reporting daily transaction volumes of 41 million. It is one of only 14 exchanges globally rated by Coinmetrics Trusted Volume Framework as being highly trusted, having passed all three of the analytic firm's trustworthiness tests for correlation, volume, and qualitative analysis. All right. Akoin, based on the Stellar Network. Bang! So Stellar hodlers. Yeah. There you go. Akoin, based on the Stellar Network, will launch on Bittrex on November 11th, allowing users to trade and transact using the token. All right, Akoin 101. All right, we're going to read a little bit. We're not going to read the whole fucking thing. The Akoin project is a blockchain platform led by global artist Akon. So he's like a rapper here in America. He's some sort of, what'd they say he was? What'd they call him? Pop star. He's a pop star here in America. Shomari, you don't know who Akon is? No, fuckstick. I don't watch that kind of crap. Idiot. I watch sports and documentaries. I don't watch, that kind of nonsense like that. Anyways, the Akoin project is a blockchain platform led by global pop artist, Akon, who is in turn committed to bringing a trusted digital currency to countries within Africa that suffer from weak and overinflated fiat currencies that prevent citizens from accessing financial services. The project's main objective is to improve social opportunities and connectedness for millions living in rural and remote regions of Africa who lack connection to the internet and therefore the global economy. Well, let me tell you about Africa. China is over there giving everybody internet access. So anyway, but yeah, Google China and Africa. Just Google that, China in Africa. You'll see 1,000 pages of what China is investing in right now. More than 1,000. They're kicking ass. So the project is set to start in Senegal before it is expanded across the continent. All right, let's just read this whole thing. Fuck. As per the release, the Akoin ecosystem will provide token hodlers with access to a wide range of decentralized apps and tools for entrepreneurs to connect, engage, and scale business in regions such as Africa, while providing a positive social impact to their communities. All right. What's going on here? All right, let's just read. John Carras, the president and co-founder of Akoin, said the listing was an important step for the business. He added, having Akoin listed on a top exchange creates a global awareness and liquidity for the Akoin token. Absolutely, that's true. While bringing us even closer to realizing our vision of bringing greater opportunity and social connectedness to people across Africa who want to build, grow, and develop their own businesses. All right, let's move on. All right, let's hear what the Bittrex fuckstick has to say. Tom Albright, CEO of Bittrex Global, shared the sentiment. He said, leveraging financial tools to help those without access to banking and credit is still one of the biggest unrealized promises from the blockchain. We're incredibly excited about the long-awaited launch of Akoin. Bang! All right, there you go, Akoin holder. Well, not a holder yet. You will be, maybe. That's such a bunch of bullshit. That's such bullshit. Yes, leveraging financial tools to help those without access to banking and credit. Oh, they have access to the credit, all right. It's just they are not credit worthy. All right, morons. Look. All right, let's read the last part then. The girl, they keep saying as if giving some African guy in some village a bank account is all of a sudden going to make him some rich guy who can do something. He's uneducated. He's a moron. He's probably illiterate. Yeah, I know. That's fucked up what I just said. But it's the truth. Isn't it? Rural areas in India, 80% of those people are illiterate. Giving them a bank account is not going to help them from their illiteracy. I know it sounds fucked up, and it is fucked up. It is fucked up, but I didn't make it like that, so don't blame me for saying it. The truth. Yeah, they're illiterate. You're fucking stupid. All right, though. All right, let's just move on. We want to help the unbanked. The unbanked are unbanked because they're unmoneyed. Well, the reason you're unmoneyed, in other words, you don't have any, is because you're uneducated and you have some shit job, buddy. Right? Like even here in America, Americans who don't finish school. Yeah, well, you end up working at fucking McDonald's or CVS or some shitty little, grocery store or some shit like that, right? Yeah, because you're uneducated. It's not, as if we're going to give you a bank account and all of a sudden you're going to have millions, right? That's what they make it sound like. Like, oh, we're going to help the unbanked. Well, what is giving this fucker a bank account with no money going to do for him? He doesn't have money to put in it, right? And so, because he's uneducated, he's a moron. I know. Shomari, you calling them morons? Aren't they? They didn't finish school, did they? No. In a world of today, for you not to finish school, you're a moron. Right? This isn't our daddy's days, our parents' days when our parents could just go work at some, manufacturing plant and make money. Those days are over. You have to have brains now. Your head is not just for holding your hair anymore. You have to actually use it. Right? Or else you're just going to be a dumb fuck with no money and no nothing. Right? I know. Shomari, man, that's mean, dog. I didn't make this world. Did I create this world that we live in? No, man, I didn't make it like this. I wish all dumb fucks could make some money and have a good life. But these aren't the 80s. When I was a kid, you all remember, you older people, I'm 46 years old. I know, I look sexy and I'm young. I look young, but nah, I'm 46. I'm halfway through the mission. Probably make it to 90. Look! But anyway, when I was a kid in the 80s, yeah, well, you could work as a fucking, a guy who worked at some Ford factory plant. Man, you had a good life, a house, everything. Your wife was a secretary. And boom. Yeah, those days are over. Unless you have brains. Well, use the brains you have. You have brains. If you're watching me, you still have one because, well, without one, you couldn't watch this. But back in those days, getting by with your brawn would work. Yeah, those days are over. Got to grow up. Use your fucking brains. Go to school, finish school. All right, look. Fucking shit. What do we talk about? Akoin. As reported earlier by Crypto Slate, Akoin is already driving major global partnerships forward, which will bring massive utility to the Akoin token. All right, fuck all this. All right, fuck all this. Look, but all right, so there it is. The Akoin token will begin to start trading on Bittrex on November 11th. So, if you're interested, you can go get yourself some Akon, Akoin. I don't know, I might throw a couple G in it. Maybe. I'm not saying I am going to, but yeah, man, it's going to be a big mega. Look, man, this rapper guy, fuck, man, he's going to build a futuristic city. Yeah, every tech you can fucking think of it is going to be in it. Yeah, it's going to be a smart city, first of all. It's going to be run on the Stellar network, second of all. Well, for Stellar holders, first of all, but it's gonna be what do you call this? Environmentally friendly. You know, running on solar and all this kind of stuff. Charging stations all over the place. You know, I'm not even sure if you're going to be able to use cash. It's going to be interesting. Every tech nerd's fantasy, you know, of what the tech world would look like if you got to build your own super tech nerd city. Well, that's what this is. That's what this is. All right. Let's move on. Bang. And then finally, Canada's first public Bitcoin fund hits 100 million mark. So bang. Here come the funds. That's what I told you. Funds, baby. Your economy, your markets, your NASDAQ, your stock exchange, your New York Stock Exchange, your FTSE, your British Stock Exchange, whatever it is. You see it going up and you see it going up and down 100 points, down 1,000 points, down, up and up. Yeah, that's a little slice. That's a little slice of your economy. Your real markets are bang, bang. All these funds. Fucking gazillion of them. Funds you never even hear about people invested in. Like, you know. It's like you have to be in the know to invest in some funds. You know what I mean? All right, so let's check it out. Canadian digital asset manager 3iQ has recorded a major milestone for its public Bitcoin fund. The Bitcoin Fund, Canada's first Bitcoin fund, listed on a major, and that's the key. But it is actually listed on the stock exchange. Has crossed the $100 million mark. And that's what's going to happen. Once these fucksticks here in America, and you two there in Europe and the UK and Australia, all you boys, if you're listening to me in an English-speaking country, yeah, dudes, once this shit is listed, man, you're going to be, well, we're going to be, bang, look, flying. So it's across the $100 million market cap. So Tyler Winklevoss, the major cryptocurrency investor and co-founder of the United States Gemini crypto exchange, congratulated 3iQ on the milestone. And so he threw in his 2 cents here with a tweet. As previously reported, 3iQ launched its Bitcoin fund in April, only April 2020. Listing the Bitcoin fund share is qbtc.u on the Toronto Stock Exchange. At the launch, the Bitcoin fund listed nearly 1.5 million Class A shares on the exchange. In conjunction with the new market cap milestone, the Bitcoin fund shares have seen significant growth since its launch. At publishing time, qbtc.u is trading at $15.80, up about 30% from the $11 when it was listed in April, which is about normal. So anyways, we don't... All right, well, we'll just fucking finish reading it then. In January 2018, 3iQ reportedly became the first crypto fund regulated by the Ontario Securities Commission and the Canadian Securities Administrators. Gemini seems closely tied to Canada's cryptocurrency markets. Wealthsimple Crypto, the first regulated cryptocurrency exchange in Canada, launched trading with custodial support for Gemini in September. Fuck all that. In September, operating as a we'll just read it. Operates around digital currency exchange. Bang, bang, bang. Gemini is the Canadian dollar. Oh, fuck Gemini. Who cares? What we care about is buy. So here's the first fund. This is a publicly traded, listed fund, right? And so, I mean, it's only 100 million. So it's not even a billion yet, but it just came out in April, I think it said, right? Bang, bang, bang. It came out. It was launched in April of 2020. So bang, bang, bang. And that's what's going to make us the money. These funds all around the world, taking crypto off the market, creating scarcity. All right, let's move on. Bang, what we got here? All right. Sovereignty Financial Inc. is committed to promoting financial literacy and providing investigative analysis of financial markets. Yes, financial literacy is necessary. Very good, very good. Bang! Let's see with the bang. XRP, Dane. Yeesh. See what this fuckstick's about. Nothing. Bang! There you go. Mr. Percy, yes. Love you, Percy. See you, Percy. Bye. Have a great weekend, sir. Oh, I got a new follower. Mrs. Crypto Cash. Crypto investor. Full-time hodler. I buy the dip. Yeah, buy the dip, idiot. Yeah. Aren't you smarty pants? Opinions are my own. Do your own research. Exactly. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. All right. Beautiful bralees. Fucking not giving me an umbrella. I don't know, man, because they're beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Everyone go out and get yourself one. I tell you, but don't get one until I get one. Look, beautiful bralees. I'm going to hold you hostage. Nah, I'm just kidding. Beautiful bralees. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. It's some lady. She makes them. All right. Deep Entertainment. Yes. Soul, brother. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Andrew Ricetta. Love you, see you, brother. Bye. And I hope you got that trust I gave you for that UBI thing we're doing. Airdrop, son of a bitch. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Got you. Wrong cares. You sorry. Love you, see you, brother. Node Master. Bye. Node Savior. Bam. Love you, see you, brother. Bye. Spy Lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Sunny B. Yeah. Biniam. What's he talking about here? Cbnews. What, Biniam? Cbnews. This news is linked to the previous article of Unibright and Provide. UBT confirmed for Coinbase custody. Deepening partnership with Provide to enable the universal... What? Well, look, man. Great. Bang! Let's just bang and get out of here. I don't know what you mean. Anyway, some custody shit, though. It's good shit. More custody, more markets. That's how it goes, brothers. Custody. Without custody, there is no market. Cbnews. What, Minium? Cbnews. Provide incorporates the... Oh, this is the article you meant by the previous article. All right. To create a unified service for corporate data sharing. All right. I'll read this on the weekend. Thank you, Minium. Bye. Minium is always connecting the dots. Crypto Carpenter followed me. Crypto Carpenter. All right, what do they say? Well, what does he say? I love all coins and crypto, my son. Enlightenment, inspiration. I'm a very little fish in a huge pond at the moment, but being humble and outgoing, I wish to grow. Yes. We're all little fish, brother, in the goodie room, but you can get your piece of it. Look, get your piece, brother. Crypto Carpenter, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Bidium. Oh, hey. Cbnews. What, Bidium? It appears that HODL is the new trend with big financial companies. Oh, yeah. How long the trend trickled down to medium and small companies? I know. Well, exactly. Yeah, you're right. That's a good. So first of all, let me bang. But that's a good topic. And I told you, the big mega boys, they're starting to finally come into this Bitcoin space, and that's what's giving us this nice market push, I think, is that, well, when a corporation buys something as a reserve currency, well, they're going to reserve it. In other words, they're going to hodl it. So amazing. How long until the small and medium-sized companies? Well, it depends on the CEO, it depends on the CFO, it depends on the CTO, it depends on what the top executives of those companies decide. And if they're smart, well, they'll buy themselves some fucking crypto. If not, well, they'll be left behind. All right, so fuck them. Look, Edwin, Kova, look, led by the T brother, the original. Bye. What we got here? Look, Chief Vizo and Vizo, Posse, Pasquiyaki Tribe, VChain Masters, look, VChain Hodlers, look, VChain Killers, look. Yes. Bye. Love you, Chief. See you, Chief. Bye. Yes. Miguel G started this Twitter account just to follow me. Love brother, see you, brother. Bang. All right, that's everybody. Bang. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's fucking go. Where are we here? Bang. All right, I'm back now. All right, so we had a great show for you today. So, Chainlink onboards PoolTogether, gambling on Ethereum. And so they just launched that, the randomness thing on Ethereum, and 2 days ago, and then, well, 1 day later, bang, they got this thing called PoolTogether. And so, good stuff for Chainlink. Chainlink to the rescue. Yeah, Chainlink to the rescue. And so, bah. All right. And then the CME Bitcoin futures rise as institutional investing is up. And so, yeah, that's the key. CME futures are up. That's big money. That's institutional money. CME, like I told you, is the sort of the NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange of the commodity markets here in America. And so this is the real deal, not some weird little crypto exchange. It's the real deal. And so it's amazing. This is amazing. And here comes our money. Here comes your fucking money. So, bye. Hold tight. Akon to be traded on major crypto exchange. So the Akoin, sorry, not Akon, not the dude. the coin is to be traded on a major crypto exchange. And so that was Bittrex. That's cool as fuck. I like this whole Akon City thing, it's here it is. All the tech you ever wanted in the world is going to be stuffed into this one city. And so this is a tech nerd's dream. I'm interested. As soon as the city's ready and to go for it, I'll take a vacation there for a month or whatever, however long, but I'll go there and have a vacation. I want to see it. And so it's great. It's run on the Stellar network. So Stellar hodlers, bye. Yes. And just fucking cool as shit, right? Just cool. And then finally, also bang, Akoin. And then finally, Canada's first Bitcoin fund hits 100 million mark. Bang, yes. So there we go. So we got funds coming. 100 million. Just started. And this is what I want to see from all countries around the world. We've been reading about the Swiss ones, the ETPs. That's really it, kind of. And so, yeah. And what I'm sort of trying to tell you guys is that, well, they're going to be funds all over the world. Oh, well, they're going to take that crypto off the market. That's going to make us our money. And so, thank you, Canada, for letting that fund go. And let's get her done. All right, man. Look, I'm fueled. I got to go. Look, let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bye. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. Greatest show on earth. Greatest show in the multiverse. Back. My name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bye. I love talking crypto. Look. This is the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I will see you guys on Tuesday after a great weekend. And we'll do this again. Another fun fact, crypto fact fun fact crypto-filled day of cryptoness. So, until Tuesday, subscribe here. Bang! Watch that video here, Greatest in the Multiverse. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday. My name's Shomari Clarke, and I'm always on duty. Bye! Yeah, watching that money. Yes. Over and out.